Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and thank you for tuning in to a brand new episode of The Nation Wants to Know. I'm Deepthi Sachdeva. Mamata Banerjee has written a letter. That letter is directed to the Prime Minister. She says, Dear Narendra Modi, she's talking about the rapes in the country. She says, I'm really disturbed. We all must come together, she says, to find a solution. I think these are very welcome suggestions. She makes a lot of other interesting points, significant points, right now battering under the very, very strong criticism that has come in, remember, from the Supreme Court. So right after you have the Supreme Court pulling up, literally tearing up the Mamata Banerjee government, she does not speak to the media, but she pens a letter. That letter is for Narendra Modi, like I just said. On the other side are images on your screens that have come in from Badlapur, and had these images not come to our newsrooms, had we not seen so much of a hangama, a protest, a virod, ladies and gentlemen, believe us, we would have not seen netas falling in line. The Bombay High Court has taken suo motu cognizance of what's happened even in Badlapur today. So this has been a day where the courts had to step in. The courts had to step in to ensure that there is some bit of semblance of justice in our country today, where it is fashionable to say that every protest has been politicized, there is an ulterior motive, there is an attempt to create a Bangladesh out of a Bengal, there is an attempt to politicize what's happening in Maharashtra because Eknath Shinde says elections aane wale hain. And you know, my political opponents today can't digest the fact that I'm a strong chief minister. So netas have their lines very clear. For netas, we are just vote banks. We as in women, we as in the citizens of the country. So what is the other way out? We reach the courts. You've seen the Supreme Court coming down heavily today on Mamata Banerjee. Not just her, even on her top cop in the Kolkata Police Commissioner. The court has made it very, very clear that the crime scene was altered. This, remember, is according to the CBI report that has been placed before the court. The court is also asking that why did you delay so much before you could file an FIR in the entire case? And much like in Badlapur, you also have the High Court asking the state that if you cannot ensure that our kids as young as 3 and 4 are safe in their schools, what is the point in having a right to education? They say this is hypocrisy. They've also asked the police there that why did you form an SIT only after you had so much uproar? What were the state administration, the police and the school authorities doing? Why were there no CCTV cameras? All these, remember, are questions that the courts have been forced to ask because both the states, whether it is Bengal in Mamata Banerjee, whether it is Maharashtra in Eknath Shinde, both have failed. But Eknath Shinde yesterday has done a Mamata Banerjee because he also sees a lot of politics, a lot of conspiracy today in all these protests. So netas see this is a conspiracy, but the courts are doing the job of the netas. And clearly this is, remember, not the only instance, as I want to now take you deep dive into what Mamata Banerjee has said. Mamata Banerjee has written to Narendra Modi just hours after you have the Supreme Court literally lambasting her. I want to read from what is right now on your screens. Mamata Banerjee says, Respected Prime Minister, I wish to bring to your kind attention the regular and increasing occurrence of rape cases throughout the country, and in many cases she says that rapes with murder are committed. She's accepting this fact that rapes are increasing, rapes with murders is also increasing. Then she goes on to say that according to the available data, it is horrifying to see that almost 90 cases of rapes occur daily throughout the country. That is Mamata Banerjee, really pained by what is happening. She really wants justice. Then she says this shakes the entire conscience, the confidence, the conscience of the society and the nation. It is bounden duty for all of us to put an end to it so that women feel safe and secure. That is Mamata Banerjee. She has signed that letter. That letter has gone in to the Pradhan Mantri. Then she says that such serious and sensitive issues need to be addressed in a comprehensive manner through stringent central legislation, prescribing exemplary punishment against the people involved in such dastardly crimes. The last line is, setting up a fast-track special courts for speedy trial in such cases should also be considered. And she says that preferably you should have a punishment coming in 15 days. With regards, Mamata Banerjee, and that is her signature. Not a single word on what has happened in Kolkata. Is Mamata Banerjee then, ladies and gentlemen, ashamed to speak about the Kolkata horror? Does she have no answers to any one of the questions today that the court has asked? On why was the crime scene altered? Why was an FIR delayed? Who told the parents that the girl died because of a suicide? Not a single word. Complete silence. But at times, silence is also a response. Let that sink in. Let that letter from Mamata Banerjee sink in. Is this a matter of damage control? Is she really today on the defensive, on the back foot? Or she believes that come the next elections, because there are 20 months to that election, I'll be safe. I'll come back to power. I want to move on now to look at what the courts today have said about our netas. And the courts had to step in because our netas have failed, because all of us have been out on the streets calling for justice. Look at what the court has said. The court begins by asking about the crime scene. It says a peaceful protest should not be disturbed. Do remember, a lot of these protesters were also picked up by the Mamata Banerjee police. We'll quickly change that graphic to get you more details of particularly what has happened vis-a-vis the investigation also in the entire case, where the Central Bureau of Investigation today, remember, has made it very clear that the crime scene, remember, the third floor of the seminar hall, they say that was altered. Who altered that crime scene? In whose interest was that done? The CBI also is talking, remember, of the entire post-mortem that happens, the case of an unnatural death that is registered. And if you just look at this timeline, you will realize that every minute matters. Remember, when there is a murder that takes place, there is an investigation that needs to happen, and this is a case of an unnatural death. Doctors who conduct the post-mortem get to understand that this is a case of a natural or an unnatural death. If you just look at this timeline, or when the post-mortem is conducted, when do you have an entire complaint of an unnatural death that is set up, followed by an FIR to a cremation? The court today has read out the entire timeline. And they say, why? Why has there been this discrepancy? You conduct a post-mortem, but you take hours to declare that this was a case of unnatural death? Why? Was someone wanting to ensure that this is not declared as a case of an unnatural death, not a rape and murder, but a suicide, as the idea was right from day one? And if you look at the conduct of the ex-principal of that entire college, he has also been under the radar. The courts today also have come down heavily on not just the police, not just on Mamata Banerjee, but even on the principal. And they do ask that who did he call the moment he get to know that something like this has happened? Did he call the cops? Did he call some neta? Or did he call someone else? Is there a link now getting largely established between a cover-up in the entire state? Let's also bring up the story that has happened vis-a-vis the state of Maharashtra, but that now is Sandeep Ghosh, who's under the radar of the Central Bureau of Investigation. He's been grilled day after day after day. CBI says we are not content with all the answers that he's giving. He's largely evasive. Why is he doing that? Remember, a principal of a college, how does he get so much power that he's able to resist all these questions that have come in from the Central Bureau of Investigation? We wonder whether there is any political link. Anyone at the top, remember, just trying to pull up the strings. Let's bring up the story in Maharashtra, because that is a story again that, ladies and gentlemen, should put all of us to shame. You have two young children, all of 3 and 4 years, going to a nursery school there. They are sexually assaulted inside their own school campus, inside a toilet. Now, on your screen are images of that moment when you had a lot of ruckus happening, parents just losing their temper, rushing in to protest, to vandalize almost anything that they figured their hands on. Now, the Bombay High Court has taken suo cognizance of the entire incident, and look at what they say. They ask, how can the police take, the entire matter so lightly? They say, unless there is a strong public outcry and an outburst, does the machinery not work? A clear indictment of why it took hours to file an FIR in the case. They also say that how can the police take serious matters like this so lightly? In spite of this, what has happened? That there have just been some transfers. No sacking, no heads have rolled, no accountability has been fixed. The court has also said that if schools are not a safe place, what is a child supposed to do? Appalled that the statement of the second victim has still not been recorded. Can you believe this? There are 2 victims, and till now, as we are putting out this broadcast, the statement of the second victim has not even been recorded by the cops. Can the Maharashtra government, can the Maharashtra police really give themselves a pat on the back and say all is well? We are different from Mamata Banerjee. Can they really say that? They also go on to say non-reporting of such incidents is also an offense, later also saying that if you cannot ensure safety of our children in schools, what is the point of a right to education? So a lot of questions, more questions. But who will give us the answers? If netas have no accountability, should we even elect netas? Is it time that we reclaim the power? The courts have to step in. What does this tell us? Let's quickly also make way to listen in to some important reactions that have come in both from Kolkata and from Maharashtra this evening. This will again expose the mindset. In spite of the fact that they are pulled up by the courts, the netas, being netas, never learn the lesson. Listen in.
Doctors cannot, blackmail the common people. Their solemn duty is to give medical service to the poor and common people. Do you have any right to deny medical services to these common people, the taxpayers? On what right you are doing this thing? And Supreme Court has put the same question and requested that this is not the thing to show your protest.
कि फेक न्यूज के ऊपर सोशल मीडिया में क्या चल रहा है उसके ऊपर सवाल मत कीजिए। सवाल करना है तो हमारा पास ओरिजिनल रिपोर्ट है। तो सवाल मीडिया में जो सोशल मीडिया में जो घूम रहा है वो बेसलेस पॉइंट्स लेकर सीबीआई के तरफ से आज सवाल हो जा रहा था। सीबीआई ने अभी एक भी अरेस्ट सीबीआई ने नहीं किया। वो सिर्फ कंफ्यूज कर रहा है, टाइम किलिंग कर रहा है और कोर्ट में जाकर वो कन्फ्युजन क्रिएट कर रहा है।
गेल्या आठवड्यामध्ये बंगालमध्ये जी एक असंच कृत्य घडलं त्याच्या निषेधार्थ देशभरामध्ये एक आगडोंब उसळला। त्याच्याही पूर्वी आपल्याला आठवत असेल की निर्भया जी घटना घडली होती, दुर्घटना म्हणजे दुष्कृत्य झालं होतं, त्याही बद्दल संपूर्ण देश खडबडून जागा होऊन त्याच्या विरोधात उभा राहिला होता। तशीच ही एक घटना आहे। अनेक घटना जेव्हा एकत्र होतात आणि सहनशीलतेचा जेव्हा अंत होतो तेव्हा जनभावनेचा उद्रेक होतो। मला वाटतं तो क्षण जवळ येत चाललेला आहे। या बंदमध्ये कोणताही राजकीय अभिनिवेश नाही आहे। महाराष्ट्राच्या कानाकोपऱ्यामध्ये एक वातावरण निर्माण झालं पाहिजे की कोणीही असं दुष्कृत्य करायला धजावला नाही पाहिजे।
So you hear a string of these netas again making much the same comment. And in fact, Kunal Ghosh, what he says is that the CBI has been reading a lot of misinformation on the social media, and it's using that to confuse the Supreme Court. Why have they not made arrest? Good that he has a lot of questions for the CBI, Shatrupa, but 0 questions and clearly 0 answers when it comes to Mamata Banerjee. Shatrupa is representing the BJP on the show. Abha Singh is a noted lawyer and activist on the broadcast. Barrister Kabir Shankar Bose is a noted lawyer also joining us. Rohan Mitra is a political analyst. He leans towards the Congress. And Badal Debnath is also a political analyst, and I'm told he leans towards the Trinamool. He's completing our panel. बादल जी, आपसे ही शुरुआत करते हैं। ममता बनर्जी को जिस तरह के आज ऑब्जर्वेशंस कोर्ट ने कहे हैं, क्राइम सीन ऑल्टर हो गया। किसने क्राइम सीन को ऑल्टर किया? किसने सबसे पहले ये कहा कि इस डॉक्टर की हत्या सुसाइड की वजह से हुई है, उनकी मौत सुसाइड की वजह से हुई है?
मैडम गुड इवनिंग। मैडम, कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम हुआ, कुछ समस्या तो हुआ, ये तो हम सब जानते हैं, आप भी जानते हैं। लेकिन 7 दिन पहले नंदीग्राम में, बंगाल में नंदीग्राम में, जहां पर जिस क्षेत्र में विधायक है शुभेंदु अधिकारी, टीएमसी एक महिला कार्यकर्ता को पीटा और नंगा पूरा गांव घुमाया। लेकिन शुभेंदु ने खुद कहा सबको अरेस्ट कर लो, लेकिन मैं वहां पर नहीं जाऊंगा। लेकिन उनका क्षेत्र है विधानसभा। लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऊपर तो मैं कुछ टिप्पणी नहीं कर सकता हूं, आप भी नहीं, लेकिन चर्चा हो सकता है। लेकिन ममता बनर्जी पहले दिन ही 5-6 घंटे के अंदर मेन आरोपी को गिरफ्तार किया और उन्होंने बोला 2-3 दिन में
तो उनको कोई मेडल मिलना चाहिए क्या बादल जी?
लेकिन
ममता जी को कोई मेडल देना चाहिए, पुरस्कार मिलना चाहिए क्या?
ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा मत बोलिए। आप सांबादिक है, जर्नलिस्ट है, लेकिन ममता बनर्जी एक सीएम है, पूरे भारत के अंदर एक अनुभवी।
चलिए, आपने ये माना तो सही कि मुख्यमंत्री है, आपने ये माना तो सही कि मुख्यमंत्री है, तो कोई जवाबदेही है उनकी, कोई अकाउंटेबिलिटी है सर?
नहीं, ये जो जब सीबीआई के पास ट्रांसफर हो गया, हाईकोर्ट ने निर्देश दे दिया,
हाँ
7 दिन हो गए, कोई
बिल्कुल।
आरोपी अरेस्ट नहीं हुआ।
बढ़िया, तो यही तो आप लोगों का प्लान था ना बादल जी, यही प्लान था। देखिए, सुनिए बादल जी, यही प्लान था क्या कि पहले कुछ दिनों में, पहले कुछ घंटों में सब कुछ बर्बाद कर दिया जाए, सब कुछ कवर अप कर दिया जाए, उसके बाद दे दो सीबीआई को केस, उसी सीबीआई को जिसको ममता बनर्जी ट्रस्ट नहीं करती हैं, और उसके बाद रोज सवाल पूछे, अरे सीबीआई से पूछिए सीबीआई ने क्या किया, सीबीआई निकम्मी है, सीबीआई गुमराह कर रही है। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आपसे सवाल पूछे हैं सर, आप सीबीआई को फॉर अ मोमेंट भूल जाइए। सुप्रीम कोर्ट आज ये पूछता है कि किस तरह क्राइम सीन को अल्टर किया गया, किसने क्राइम सीन को अल्टर किया, सुसाइड किसने कहा, एफआईआर लिखने में इतना समय क्यों निकला, जब पोस्टमार्टम पहले हो जाता है, ये क्लियर हो जाता है कि अननेचुरल डेथ है, उसके बाद एक एफआईआर होने में इतना समय क्यों लगता है? आप बताइए, किसी का तो जवाब होगा आपके पास।
बिल्कुल मैडम, आपने सही कहा, गलत तो कुछ हुआ, गलत कुछ हुआ नहीं, गलत हुआ।
हाँ,
बिल्कुल
किसने
गलत
किया?
हुआ। पुलिस ने जो पहले दिन पुलिस को पहले ये पर करना चाहिए था। सुप्रीम कोर्ट तो सही बताए,
पुलिस तो आप ही की है ना?
लेकिन बिल्कुल आपके, लेकिन लोकल जो एएसआई होता है, लोकल थाने का जो एएसआई होता है, लोकल थोड़ा सा क्षेत्र में जो चलाता है पुलिस स्टेशन, जो टाला पुलिस स्टेशन है, लेकिन वो तो गलत किया है।
अरे तो आपने किसी को सैक किया है? नहीं, बादल देवनाथ जी, मुझे बताइए कि ममता बनर्जी और विनीत गोयल कैसे कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं? दोनों को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए।
आप लोग, लेकिन इसके लिए ममता बनर्जी को दोषी क्यों ठहराए? ममता
कौन है दोषी?
उस समय तो नहीं था, लेकिन मैं जब आपको बोलूंगा मणिपुर, हाथरस, बदलापुर, उत्तर जो 2 दिन पहले दलित महिला को
बिल्कुल
रेप हुआ, हरियाणा में रेप हुआ, तो ममता प्रधानमंत्री को हम सब दोषी समझते हैं।
हाँ, तो क्योंकि आप मणिपुर और हाथरस की बातें करेंगे,
सम्मान देता हूँ,
बादल जी,
के ऊपर कोई आरोप नहीं, हम लोग को नहीं लगा।
बादल जी, ममता बनर्जी तो सबसे डिफरेंट है ना। ममता बनर्जी तो भाजपा जैसी नहीं है, वो भाजपा जैसे नेताओं की तरह नहीं है, वो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग नेता है, ओनली वुमन चीफ मिनिस्टर है।
बिल्कुल सही कहा,
बिल्कुल उनकी तारीफ करिए, लेकिन उनसे सवाल पूछने में आप लोग डरते क्यों है?
इलेक्ट्रल बॉन्ड के लिए हजार करो।
नहीं, बादल जी, आप ममता बनर्जी से इतना डरते क्यों है, मुझे ये बताइए।
ममता बनर्जी, भाजपा तो अलग होगा, बिल्कुल अलग होगा। भाजपा पूरा देश लूट रहा है 2014 से।
अरे बादल जी, आप ममता बनर्जी से इतना डरते क्यों हैं?
ममता बनर्जी से मोदी भाजपा के साथ तुलना मत कीजिए। ममता बनर्जी अलग है, बिल्कुल आपने सही कहा,
हाँ।
और भाजपा भी अलग है, बिल्कुल सही कहा, लेकिन वो भाजपा ही आदवानी जो था वो एक लीडर था, लेकिन
बादल जी सुनिए, अब आप मेरे को सुन पा रहे हैं?
लूट रहा है, ये बिजनेसमैन है,
बादल जी रुक जाइए। एक तरफ कपिल सिब्बल हैं जो पूरे केस का तर्क देते हुए मुस्कुराते हैं, हंसते हैं, उनको बोला गया कि प्लीज थोड़ी सीरियसनेस रखिए, किसी की जान चली गई है। बादल जी, आप भी टेलीविजन पर आकर सिर्फ ममता बनर्जी की तारीफ ही करेंगे तो उससे कोई डिबेट नहीं होगा सर। लोग अब आप पे विश्वास नहीं करते। मुझे बताइए कि आप डरते क्यों है?
करते हैं इसलिए तो सारे चैनल बुलाते हैं,
अच्छा,
इसलिए तो सारे चैनल बुलाते हैं।
तो चैनल तो बुलाएंगे ना सर, चैनल तो सबको बुलाएंगे, सबसे जवाब पूछे जाएंगे ना सर।
मैडम, ये बंगाल और बंगाली संस्कृति है, जितना कोशिश करे पूरे वर्ल्ड में बंगाली संस्कृति।
नहीं, आप बादल जी देखिए, बहुत हो गया सर, बहुत हो गया।
आरोप है,
लोगों के सब्र का बांध टूट चुका है,
फांसी दे दीजिए।
लोग मजाक बना रहे हैं अब आपका। बादल जी सुनिए, प्लीज सुनिए बादल जी प्लीज। आप एक सीजन नेता लगते हैं, क्योंकि आपको सिर्फ तारीफ और तारीफ ही करनी आती है। आपने इस पूरी सिचुएशन की गंभीरता को भी नहीं समझा है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट को अगर ये कहना पड़े कि हमने 30 साल में ऐसा केस नहीं देखा है, तो ममता बनर्जी को तो पुरस्कार मिलना चाहिए ना।
मैडम, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो 30 साल का बात किया उसके ऊपर मैं कोई टिप्पणी नहीं कर रहा।
हाँ, उस पर आप टिप्पणी नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि आप कर नहीं सकते, आप डरते हैं ममता बनर्जी से।
मेरा नहीं चलेगा, मैं वो नहीं बोल सकता हूँ।
क्यों आप डरते हैं?
कर सकते नहीं, डरते नहीं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट फाइनल डिसीजन दे दिया।
नहीं, ममता बनर्जी से डरते हैं सर आप?
एक राष्ट्रपति कह सकते, एक राष्ट्रपति सुप्रीम कोर्ट बात कह सकते हैं और कोई नहीं, आपको समझना होगा। लेकिन जो बोला उन्होंने, जो सोचा है 30 साल बाद दिया, लेकिन आप प्राइज देंगे ममता बनर्जी को? कौन प्राइज देगा जो 3 बार का मुख्यमंत्री, 4 बार का सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर?
अरे नहीं बादल जी, बादल जी, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि ममता बनर्जी की कोई जिम्मेदारी है? सिर्फ हाँ और ना बताइए सर।
आप प्राइज देंगे, लेकिन पंचायत चुनाव में जब भाजपा के लोग 17
अरे चुनाव आज तो भूल जाइए बादल जी, आज तो चुनाव भूल जाइए सर, थोड़ी तो शर्म करिए प्लीज।
शर्म तो आपको,
आज तो चुनाव भूल जाइए सर प्लीज।
लोगों को मार दिया, मणिपुर में हजारों महिला को रेप किया।
चलिए कमाल है।
आप भाजपा के लिए
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ऐसे नेताओं का और ऐसी मानसिकता का बादल जी कोई इलाज नहीं है। रोहन
की चर्चा नहीं करते,
रोहन
आप ममता बनर्जी,
रोहन आप सुन रहे होंगे। I don't understand this passion, you know, that Badalji is using to kind of just go all out to defend the indefensible. But Rohan, what stops the Congress High Command from calling up Mamta Banerjee and tell her that, look, your position now is untenable. If she's not able to read the writing on the wall, maybe you guys can help us.
Dipti, can I speak? Dipti, first and foremost, please go through your records. The Congress and the Trinamool since 2012 have not been together. They are not together, not in Goa, not in Meghalaya.
Are you together in the country?
No, let me answer this. Okay, the fact is I've been on record and I've told you that I'm not here to make this about your rape versus my rape at all.
No, Rohan,
when it happened,
Rohan.
Let me just finish.
Rohan, I
let
agree.
Me finish.
I agree to everything you are saying. But I've just asked you this question in the light of what the Supreme Court today has said.
I will answer your question. Let me just put it here. I am not here to defend a rape when Congress was in government in Rajasthan. See, the point which I was trying to make here is that you saw what has happened in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, there is a BJP government. First and foremost, in any elected government, when they have a majority, we cannot ask them to be removed and ask for a precedent rule. If we start doing that, the whole federal structure is going to collapse. Given that, the Congress party, even yesterday, you can check your, your cameraman and your crew and your media reporting from Bengal. The Congress party has been out and about protesting it within the Congress's, within the flags, without trying to hijack the people's movement from the first day itself. When such a crime has, the biggest problem is we've been asking for the resignation of the police commissioner, because what we saw is
not the chief minister.
No, I'm going to explain to you. Let me explain to you. The police commissioner was responsible because this is a civic volunteer who comes under him. He was in the police force. So first and foremost, that man has to go. This whole SIT which was formed has no value because the Mr. Akhtar Ali, who has come on record and made the complaints, his complaint has been there in the public domain for last 2 years. So nobody has taken any steps on that.
Rohan, is Mamata Banerjee not aware of all this?
No, so our point is we are there. We cannot ask for the resignation of the chief minister.
Why
that
not?
Is not the way.
When you can do it with a Yogi Adityanath, when you can do it with any other state chief minister, why does this light change when it is a BJP ruled state and an opposition ruled state?
No, we are going in a politically we are fighting in Maharashtra. We are not asking for the resignation of Mr. Shinde. Why is this a resignation?
Okay, Rohan,
is the BJP going to bring the
Rohan, I hate to do this because you otherwise are a very seasoned and a very honest spokesperson. But today, clearly, because of all other political compunctions, you've called for a bandh in Maharashtra. Call for a bandh also in Bengal. Will you do that against Mamata Banerjee?
We will absolutely do that. We will.
So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
No, we will do that. It's a BJP. We are there in the streets. We are fighting.
You just answered that because that is a BJP ruled state, right? You have an axe to grind there. Maharashtra has an election coming up. That is the problem. Shatrupa.
When you're a political party, we always have political
and Devnath ji बहुत खुश हो रहे हैं कि रोहन सिर्फ उनका भी डिफेंस कर रहे हैं. ममता बनर्जी का नाम नहीं ले पा रहे. कोई भी इतना क्या डर है मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है. But Shatrupa, what about in Badlapur? Have you heard what the courts today had to say about Badlapur? Is this true that the school is linked to a BJP neta and that is why the police was going slow in the case?
Dipti, whatever happens, any assault, any kind of injustice to women and children across the nation, no matter who is ruling the state, is to be condemned. I really don't know what happened in Maharashtra. I'm here. I have these details are now coming out. It will be condemned by our highest level, by our party's highest level. I am sure of that. I don't know if the police can get a link of some BJP neta. I don't think anybody will be spared. But I just wanted to point out here, Badal Devnath went on a passionate flurry about Bengal and being Bengal. Kabir and I are born and brought up in Kolkata. That we are diehard Bengalis. I don't think when Kabir talks also, I don't think either of us are ever going to sanction any kind of rape anywhere. And then say that the police minister had absolutely no idea that her ASI can run so fast. I mean, there's nothing else he can do. Have you seen him running on camera from the media? He's running on slippery road. He can even compete for Olympics, I think. At least the hurdle race, I'm sure he can do. But that is how irrelevant the police of West Bengal has become. Police has systematically been trying to cover up. Today you heard the CBI almost throwing up their hands in the Supreme Court and saying that we were given orders to start investigation on the 5th day. And then, by then, entire evidence, all sorts of foreign evidence, forensic evidence had been done away with. Absolutely, on a rampage. And then you have, you were talking about the police. Then you have the police commissioner who breaks down in front of media and says some 40 minutes, 7,000 people ravaged through Arjikot. Okay. And they did nothing. Why? Because he doesn't have enough resources. And who's responsible for those resources? 13 years. You have the same minister. Police minister, health minister, equal to chief minister.
Yes.
So we are trying to say is here is the High Court, then the Supreme Court, who's pointing out.
You think Mamata Banerjee needs to go, Shatrupa? Just say yes or no. Immediately. What about Eknath Shinde? Should he also go?
Well, there's an election coming up. And if the opposition demands that, if the opposition is demanding that, they're not demanding that. I'm telling you, Dipti, at the very outset,
Shatrupa, do you know that there are 2 victims in the Badlapur case?
Yes, I know.
There are 2
cases. Children.
Yes, there are 2 cases, 2 victims. And the court today has said that why hasn't the second victim, her statement has also not been recorded. That is the seriousness of the police. Now, Abha, because, you are someone who's been born and brought up in Maharashtra, you have your roots there. I want to know that something like this is happening in the state. Political parties are all wanting to capitalize on this, Abha, because there are big elections right now. But I mean, where are we going? Where are we failing as different states, different chief ministers, ad nauseum, the same replies? Rape is a social evil. Every protest is a conspiracy. But who's responsible also, Abha, for what happened in Badlapur?
Absolutely. Women's safety should be the priority for all people in power. But what I'm seeing is that be it West Bengal, be it Maharashtra, it is being politically capitalized by the politicians. Because if you see in West Bengal, the rapist was arrested in 24 hours. Till now, CBI has kept quiet. Why has it not done a press conference to say that if they are arresting anyone else or they are going to arrest, it is a gang rape or not? CBI, it is the right of every citizen to know what the fact is. So many rumors are going on. Now, when you come to Maharashtra and if it is said that the school is owned by a BJP leader, then all the more necessary it becomes that the BJP leader should also come and clarify. And if he has a direct say in the running of the school, then I'm sure he should step down. He should step down because an independent inquiry can only take place when there is no political interference. But let me tell you, none of these political spokespersons or political parties are serious towards women's safety. They have, all the police has been compromised. They are under the politicians of the state. Half the police is only doing VIP bandobast. They don't have time for investigation. And what is important that after Nirbhaya, we had Nirbhaya 2, now we'll have 3, 4. But why crime is not stopping? Biggest question is, why are you not making women safe? A government medical college in West Bengal does not have a restroom.
Yes.
If the girl has to sleep in the seminar hall after 32 hours of working, then should not the medical health secretary give a reply?
Yes,
Because
and even
he
the
is
health
responsible
minister
for
of the
running these
state, that
schools.
is Mamata
The right
Banerjee,
people
Abha.
responsible are happily sitting, and of course the health minister also, but the principal, who transferred the principal, whose signature were on the principal's transfer from this medical college to other? Have we seen the papers? CBI needs to give answers. CBI also cannot keep its mouth shut because it is scared of politicians. We need these agencies that are independent, that are free, that can tell the public, because ultimately it is the taxpayers' money which is paying their salary.
I think these are fantastic points that Abha has raised, and these are points, Debnath ji, जिसका आपको भी जवाब देना पड़ेगा, शत्रुपा को भी और रोहन को भी. But Barrister Bose, because you're also a lawyer, I want to understand your position on this. Citizens have been forced to come out on the streets, whether it is Kolkata, whether it was Badlapur, and had not that protest happened on the Badlapur railway station, we would have not seen any action from the state. Is that also not true?
Every citizen is rightly on the streets. Every citizen, be that Maharashtra, be that West Bengal. Every daughter of the country has their right, inherent fundamental right, to live with dignity, to live with safety. Citizens are coming out on the streets, they are demanding justice, quite rightly so. Whatever has happened in both states, condemnable to the highest order. Let's come to West Bengal, because I'm from West Bengal. And I want to give a legal insight on some of the issues here. The Supreme Court in its first hearing, Deepthi, if you recall, repeatedly asked one question. Who named the victim?
Correct.
A brutal gang rape. Who named the victim? Yesterday we saw a video come out. It was the police commissioner of West Bengal, of Calcutta Police, who first named the victim. A legal massacre, a legal murder. Where is the action against the police commissioner? Nothing. The matter is before Supreme Court. Please take it up. I'm sure this video by now must have reached the judges through some means. Chief Minister openly, on some stage, offered money to the parents. We've all heard this. Is there a price to this? Can this go on? Can any murder or can any rape be put a price on it? I don't understand this culture. I'm personally against this. This cannot be. You can have compensation if your house is broken down. Something happens, something. But when you lose your daughter in such brutal manner, you come and say, yo, you'll not get your daughter back, but I can offer you 10 lakh of rupees. A woman saying this is not acceptable. Number 3, most important, the crime scene is completely destroyed. And we are hearing this from the Supreme Court judges.
Yes.
Law and order is a state subject. Today, Mamata Banerjee has written to the Prime Minister asking for a stringent law. There is a law. I am telling you, there are very strong draconian laws for women's safety, which goes up to having capital punishment for all these offences.
You are right.
But who will implement it, madam? My question to the Chief Minister. Your police have to implement it. My question to every Chief Minister. The police have to implement it. Get discipline into your force. In West Bengal, it's a civic volunteer who committed this crime. Where is action against the police officials? Where is the action against your commissioner? There is a law, but in a lawlessness state, laws cannot be implemented. You can write as many letters to the Prime Minister as you wish.
Good points. Good points again. I think both Abha and Barrister Bose, Debnath ji, ऐसी बातें बोलिए जो आपको बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल होंगी. शत्रुपा and रोहन, I will just come back to you, but पहले देबनाथ जी के पास चलते हैं. देबनाथ जी, कोई जवाब है? कोई जवाब आया है सर कि ये जवाब दे दीजिए अब?
बिल्कुल जवाब है. मैं मैडम सुन लीजिए. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर स्टेट सब्जेक्ट है, सर ने बताया, बिल्कुल सही कहा.
हाँ.
लेकिन जब बंगाल में नीतियों को लेकर राजनीति करना, जब भाजपा के लोग टीएमसी का
नहीं, ये रेप राजनीतिक है सर क्या? देबनाथ जी, जिस डॉक्टर का नहीं, अब आप सुनिए, अब आप राजनीति की बात करेंगे तो मैं आपको मुद्दे पर तो लाऊंगी ना सर. अगर 31 साल की एक डॉक्टर का रेप एंड मर्डर हो जाता है, इसमें कहाँ राजनीति है, बताइए.
हर दिन धरना, जूनियर डॉक्टर आंदोलन कर रहे, वो बिल्कुल सही है, ठीक है. उनका हक है आंदोलन करना जूनियर डॉक्टर का, ठीक है. लेकिन जो भाजपा के लोग, सीपीएम के लोग, लेफ्ट के लोग, नक्सल पंथियों, हर दिन रैली, हर दिन धरना मंच लगा के,
तो आपको धरने से इतनी क्या दिक्कत है? दीदी ने तो खुद कितने धरने दिए हैं. दीदी तो खुद फाइटर है ना देबनाथ जी. अब आप प्रोटेस्ट से कैसे घबरा रहे हैं?
चर्चा कर रहा है, हरियाणा के चर्चा कर रहा है, उत्तर प्रदेश चर्चा कर रहा है, लेकिन वहां पर जाके धरना नहीं दे रहा हूं सर. यही है बात।
अरे तो आपने
ममता
जाके
बनर्जी का
उत्तर प्रदेश में
सोच
धरना
को,
दीजिए,
ममता
आप मणिपुर
बनर्जी
में
का
धरना
सोच को
दीजिए, आपको
सोचिए।
कोई नहीं रोकेगा
वहाँ
ना।
पर भी हमारा
लेकिन
लोग
देवनाथ
है।
जी,
नहीं,
अगर
ऐसा
आपके
नहीं है।
स्टेट में
लोग है।
अंडर ममता बनर्जी इस तरह का क्राइम होता है और कवर अप होता है, देखिए क्राइम से बड़ा है कवर अप। अगर अब आपने सुनिए देवनाथ जी, क्राइम सीन पूरा खराब कर दिया गया है। किसने खराब किया है? जो आपके कोलकाता के पुलिस कमिश्नर हैं, उन्होंने बार बार एक्सेप्ट किया है कि गलतियां हुई हैं, तो उनको आप सैक क्यों नहीं करते? उनको क्यों बचा रहे हैं आप लोग?
कौन बचा रहा है? मैं तो बोले जो भी जितना भी आरोपी है सबको गिरफ्तार कर लीजिए, सबको फांसी में लौटा दीजिए।
अरे ये इंस्टेंट जस्टिस मत करिए ना देवनाथ जी।
मैडम एक बात है, मैडम बोलने दीजिए प्लीज।
नहीं, लेकिन आप सवाल का जवाब दीजिए।
नहीं, बीच में मत टोकिए मैडम, प्लीज बोलने दीजिए। हम सब कह रहे जो भी पुलिस है, जो भी गलत
नहीं तो आप करिए ना सर, ये कौन करेगा? ये कौन करेगा? मुख्यमंत्री करेंगे ना।
बोला सबको अरेस्ट कीजिए।
देखिए मीडिया तो नहीं करेगा ये चीज, मीडिया तो सवाल पूछेगा, मीडिया एक्सपोज करेगा, लेकिन एक्शन तो आप लोग लेंगे ना।
कर रहा है नहीं, जो भाजपा के लोग पॉलिटिक्स कर रहा है कुछ विरोधी नेता।
अरे सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी पॉलिटिक्स कर रहा है क्या सर? देवनाथ जी, सुप्रीम कोर्ट पॉलिटिक्स कर रहा है क्या?
नंगा घुमाता है और इसके लिए कोई एक शब्द नहीं बोलते आप।
देवनाथ जी बहुत हो गया सर, बहुत हो गया। सुनिए मेरी बात।
17 नहीं पंचायत चुनाव में
नहीं, आप बताइए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आपसे जो सवाल पूछे हैं उसका आप जवाब दे पाएंगे?
सब नहीं कहते, लेकिन आप लोगों का आदत है टीएमसी का गलती धरना, ममता बनर्जी का गलती पकड़ना। ममता बनर्जी इस्तीफा दीजिए, ममता बनर्जी के पास आप जीत नहीं सकते, बार बार हर सकते।
हाँ।
ये लोग जमना शब्द होता रहता है, लेकिन ममता बनर्जी और राज्यपाल के खिलाफ एक शब्द नहीं कहते, जिसके खिलाफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट पे रेप का केस चल रहा है। राज्यपाल के खिलाफ एक शब्द बोलिए।
देवनाथ जी
एक शब्द बोलिए राज्यपाल के खिलाफ। जो 6 महीने से वहां पर राजभवन में महिला कर्मचारी के ऊपर हमें उनके ऊपर आरोप है, महिला का जो आरोप किया है,
देवनाथ जी,
कंप्लेंट किया है
देवनाथ जी, आप इस घटना की सीरियसनेस समझ रहे हैं सर?
के खिलाफ आप लोगों के पास बहुत
आप समझ रहे हैं कि आपके बंगाल के लोग और देश भर के लोग सड़कों पर क्यों आए हैं? आप समझ रहे हैं?
समझते हो आप लोग, समझते नहीं है। राज्यपाल के खिलाफ आप बोलने का आवाज उठा सकते हैं आप?
अरे आप मुख्यमंत्री के खिलाफ एक बात नहीं रख पा रहे हैं नेशनल टेलीविजन पर, इतना डर है।
गवर्नर के खिलाफ रेप का
नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता आप क्यों इतना डरते हैं। रोहन, बिफोर आई गेट इन शत्रुपा, why is he so scared of Mamata Banerjee? And why are you people also so scared of her?
No, he's representing the TMC, so I don't want to take too much into his consideration of what he's saying.
No, but why is it so difficult, Rohan, for netas to say sorry and say we made a mistake?
No, he's definitely, come on, he's done a lot of whataboutery all this time. So I just said that once you get into whataboutery about one state versus the other, we will go nowhere. My couple of questions, what Mr. Barrister Bose had said, when you pick and choose, you cannot go and talk about resigning, because let's see, we are a political party, we can say that, Mamata Banerjee should resign, but she's not going to resign. So the point is accountability should be fixed to the police commissioner first and foremost, because you had the civic volunteer who was there and he was responsible. So the police commissioner needs to tell us who gave this civic volunteer this job. So that is
No, Rohan, see, there is also the entire issue of this principal. The former principal of the RG Kaur Medical College. Mamata Banerjee is also the health minister. Devnath ji health minister bhi hai na, Mamata Banerjee.
The pressure you cannot build, you cannot.
No, why we cannot? Rohan, you remember what has happened with Sheila Dikshit. She lost that election because of everything she said vis-a-vis the Nirbhaya protest. And Abha would remember this. There was no instances of a cover-up, no allegations of a cover-up in the investigation. But just because of that demeanor and just because of what late Sheila Dikshit ji had to say about the victim ki itni raat ko kyun bahar gayi thi? People voted her out. Do not forget this, Devnath ji. शीला दीक्षित ने भी इसकी एक कीमत चुकाई थी। और अगर ममता बनर्जी को यह लगता है ना कि देश की जनता बेवकूफ है, बंगाल की जनता बेवकूफ है, चुनाव आने से पहले थोड़ा उनको पैसा दे दीजिए, वो हमें वोट कर देंगे, क्योंकि उन्हें कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा, कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं। लेकिन शत्रुपा, what Abha has also raised are good questions, and I will give you the last word. The CBI now has got the entire investigation. What has the CBI done anything in the case so far, apart from just raising questions at the Trinamool? Have they done anything else?
No. Firstly, Dipti, one has to understand that the actions that CBI we're seeing the CBI doing. They're going over. They've gone over to the Sanjeev Rai's residence, wherever he.
But why are they not arresting this principal? I don't understand. He has been grilled day after day after day.
Allow me. Just let me finish. At least there is a lot of movement happening. As far as arrest or a press conference, I don't think they can do that unless the court directs so. You will see today afternoon, I mean, Barrister Bose will be able to second me on that. Today you will see that CBI has asked for a polygraphic test to be made on Sandeep Ghosh and 4 other doctors. All I'm trying to say here is CBI is not on its own here. I'm not trying to justify CBI at all. I am not a spokesperson. All I'm saying is, at least CBI is, there's something that is happening. We can see the people being questioned. CBI moving from one place to the other.
I think both of us can agree to disagree that we do know what happened in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, the case going to the CBI. The case is nowhere today. The problem is that we have no answers from the Trinamool government in Bengal, no answers either from the CBI. Also in Badlapur, no answers yet from the state on the entire cover-up. That is the reason why you have Janta on the street. Shatrupa, only for word of time, but I'm thanking both Shatrupa, Abha and all gentlemen for joining us with the promise that we will continue to ask all these questions that matter. Thank you for watching. On the other side, lots more coming up.